Good afternoon, happy Sunday. I want you guys to pay attention to this video. Pay good attention to this video. Do you see what this guy is doing? He is crushing the PET bottle. That bottle we used to put water, Coke, Pepsi and so on. He decided to cut them in pieces and to crush them. Watch what he is doing. Can you see? Into pieces. Now he wants to melt them. Can you see what this guy is doing? From melting, he is using them to form spore. Can you see him? Pay close attention to what is happening in this video. Mind you, this is still the PET bottle. The one we used to put water, Lagolis water, Ever water. The one we used to put Coke, Pepsi, Fanta and so on. If you go to most of the canals, most of the drainages, most of the dumping sites across the country, one of the things that constitutes the dirt that you have there is this PET bottle and polyethylene bottle, the one we call waterproof or nylon. Can you see what he is doing with them? He wants to add them to something that will remove bacteria and so on. After adding them, he is now trying to dry them. Now he wants to use them to form something that we can wear. Can you see him? He's now knitting them. This is act of knitting. Can you see him? This is still that PET bottle, that bottle that we normally put water inside. This is what this guy just used. See what he's going to use them to do. Just pay attention. Now he wants to put color. He wants to change the color from white. You can use any color that you want to use. Pay attention. Kai Oyibo. See? We used to throw away money in this country every day. Pay attention. Can you see what he's doing? Remember that this is still the PET bottle. That one that we used to put water, Coke, Fanta and so on. That is what this guy just used. Kai Oyibo. Pay attention. You are going to get something today. So that anytime you take your Coke, you take your Fanta, you take your Pepsi, you take your Mirinda, you take your water. Don't throw away those PET bottles. Don't throw them away again. They are money. They are money in disguise. But those things that you are seeing dumping in the dumping site, those bottles that you see in your canals, in your drainages and so on, they are money. They are money, but we don't know in this country. They are money. Just look at what this guy did with PET bottle. Apart from this cap, you can use them to make your jerseys. You saw the Man U jersey, the Barca jersey, the Madrid jersey, and so on. This is where they are gotten from. You can see every day we take Fanta, we take Coke, we take Pepsi. We take different types of drink inside these PET bottles. At the end of the day, the way we garbage them, the way we throw them, the way we litter them, we use them to litter the environment, not knowing that that is our wealth. That is money. Something that at the end of the day that we can recycle to use it to form cap, JCs, wears and so on. We dump them anyhow. Do you see what this guy used that PET bottle to do? Do you see it? So this is a lesson to everybody today. Now that we are saying that the country is bad, that we are facing economic hardship in this country, whereas we are depositing things that would have given us money, we are throwing them away, we are littering them away. Those things that we are throwing away, the PET bottles, we can use them to earn money, huge amount of money. Apart from the PET bottle, we can also use the one we call nylon or the one we call waterproof. The actual name is polyethylene film. We can also use them to get so many things, make money, even drive jets. So after watching this video, I want your notion to change today. After using those PET bottles, don't use them to litter the environment. Don't throw them away. Gather them, crush them, melt them. After melting, the next thing we do is to use them to form yarn. From yarn, we can now use them to form textile. Mind you, most of the jerseys that you see footballers wearing today are being made from this particular material. For those that still call it PET, the actual name or the real name is polyethylene terephthalate. Yes, that is the real name. So if you are part of those people that after drinking water or drinking whatsoever with it, you throw them away, stop doing that, because you are throwing away your wealth. What do you think?